Creating a cozy and inviting interior is more than just arranging furniture. It's about crafting a space that feels warm, comfortable, and welcoming. Imagine coming home after a long day to a place that instantly makes you feel at ease. This is the essence of cozy interior design. In today's video, we'll explore the key elements of creating such spaces. We'll dive into the latest interior design trends, share practical tips to make any room feel cozier, and provide real-life examples to inspire your own designs. Whether you're looking to revamp your living room, create a peaceful bedroom retreat, or carve out a snug reading nook, we've got you covered. Let's dive on this journey to transform your home into a haven of comfort and style. First, let's explore what is cozy home decor and key elements. Cozy home decor is all about creating a space that exudes warmth, comfort, and a sense of welcome. At its core, it focuses on making a home feel inviting and lived in, where every corner invites you to relax and unwind. Key elements include soft textures, warm lighting, and personal touches that make a space feel lived in and loved. Think plush throws, soft rugs, and plenty of cushions. Natural materials like wood and stone can add a rustic charm, while plants bring in a touch of nature. A cozy home is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment where you can relax and unwind. When you walk into a cozy space, you should feel instantly at ease, surrounded by elements that bring you joy and comfort. Now let's explore some cozy interior design trends. As we look ahead to this year, several exciting interior design trends are emerging, all of which can enhance the coziness of your home. One of the key trends is the use of natural materials. Think wood, stone, and other organic elements that bring a touch of the outdoors inside. These materials not only add a rustic charm, but also create a warm and earthy ambiance. Another trend gaining popularity is the use of earthy color palettes. Colors like terracotta, olive green, and warm beige are becoming favorites for creating a calming and grounded atmosphere. These shades are perfect for creating spaces that feel both stylish and inviting. Multifunctional furniture is also on the rise. Pieces that can serve more than one purpose, such as a sofa that doubles as a guest bed or a coffee table with hidden storage, are ideal for maximizing comfort and functionality in smaller spaces. This trend aligns perfectly with the cozy design philosophy, where comfort and practicality go hand in hand. Sustainable and eco-friendly designs are becoming increasingly important. Using recycled materials, choosing energy-efficient appliances, and incorporating plants into your decor are all ways to make your home more sustainable. Not only do these choices benefit the environment, but they also contribute to a healthier and more serene living space. By embracing these trends, you can infuse your home with a modern touch while still maintaining that essential cozy feel. Whether you're redesigning an entire room or just making a few updates, these trends offer plenty of inspiration to create a warm and inviting interior. Now we talk on the clever tips to create a cozy interior. Creating a cozy interior design involves some thoughtful choices and clever tips. Let's dive into a few practical ideas that can transform any space into a haven of comfort. First, let's talk about color schemes. Warm and neutral colors are your best friends when it comes to creating a cozy atmosphere. Shades like soft beige, warm grays, and muted pastels can make a room feel more inviting. These colors not only provide a soothing backdrop, but also complement various decor styles, making your space feel cohesive and tranquil. Next, consider textures and fabrics. Incorporating a mix of soft, plush fabrics can instantly make a room feel cozier. Think woolen throws, velvet cushions, and cotton curtains. Layering these textures adds depth and warmth to your space. Imagine sinking into a sofa piled with soft pillows and draped with a chunky knit blanket. It's the epitome of coziness. Lighting plays a crucial role as well. Opt for warm, soft lighting rather than harsh, bright lights. Use table lamps, floor lamps, and string lights to create a gentle, ambient glow. Natural light is equally important. Maximize it by keeping windows clear of heavy drapes and using light, airy curtains to allow sunlight to filter through. When it comes to furniture, comfort is key. Choose pieces that are both stylish and functional. A deep, cushy sofa, a well-padded armchair, and a sturdy coffee table can make a living room feel both comfortable and practical. Arrange your furniture to encourage conversation and relaxation. ensuring that the layout feels open and inviting. Lastly, don't forget personal touches. Decorate with items that have sentimental value or bring you joy. This could be family photos, artwork, or souvenirs from your travels. These personal elements make a space feel truly unique and lived in, adding to the overall coziness. By following these tips, you can create a space that is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly comfortable and inviting. It's all about making thoughtful choices that enhance the warmth and charm of your home. To bring these tips to life, let's explore some practical examples of cozy interior design in different rooms of your home. Living room. Start with the living room, the heart of the home. Imagine a space with a soft, oversized sofa covered in plush cushions and throw blankets. A warm, neutral rug anchors the room, while a coffee table holds a few of your favorite books and a scented candle. Soft lighting from floor lamps and a few well-placed table lamps creates a gentle glow, perfect for evening relaxation. Add some personal touches with framed family photos and a few decorative pieces that reflect your personality. Bedroom. Next, let's move to the bedroom, your personal retreat. Cozy bedding is essential. Think layers of soft sheets, a fluffy duvet, and an assortment of pillows. A bedside table with a reading lamp and a few of your favorite books or a journal adds a personal touch. Consider adding a soft area rug beside the bed to provide warmth underfoot. Choose calming colors like soft blues, warm grays, or gentle pastels to create a serene atmosphere. Blackout curtains can help ensure a good night's sleep while also adding a touch of luxury. Reading nook. Finally, a cozy reading nook can be a wonderful addition to any home. Find a quiet corner and add a comfortable chair or a small love seat. Layer it with cushions and a warm throw blanket. Good lighting is key, so ensure you have a reading lamp or a source of natural light. Add a small side table to hold your current read and a cup of tea or coffee. Personalize the space with a few pieces of art or photos that inspire you, creating a little haven for relaxation and escape. To recap, creating a cozy and inviting home is all about adding warmth, comfort, and personal touches to your space. By following the latest interior design trends and incorporating our tips and practical examples, you can transform your home into a sanctuary that feels both stylish and welcoming. Remember, a cozy home is not just about how it looks, but how it makes you feel. Try out these ideas, and you'll see a big difference in the comfort and ambiance of your home. We hope these ideas inspire you to create a home that is not only beautiful, but also a true reflection of warmth and comfort. Feel free to share your own cozy interior design ideas in the comments. We'd love to see how you make your space inviting and special. Happy decorating!